Hey guys, welcome to another video. So yeah, your girl looks a bit weird. I just recorded like a really quick, this is probably going to be like, I don't know, 2 minutes or something. How I remove my makeup on a daily basis. So I've just come back from work. I'm feeling rather exhausted today, so I just thought, let me just show you how I remove my makeup. I do sound ill, maybe because I am ill. I just wanted to show you what I use, the 1, 2, 3, 4 products that I use to remove my makeup and the 2 products that I use to hydrate the skin. So that is pretty much the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I hope so. I hope it's like, you know, something you like and something you're interested in. The products that I've been using for months now, and one product even I've been using for years. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
So I use the Nivea Double Effect Eye Makeup Remover first, and I put this on a cotton pad and I let it rest on my eye for just a little while, just so it kind of soaks through. Then I continue to, you know, try and remove that mascara. I use the L'Oreal Waterproof X Fiber. That stuff is like that stuff is proper. When it says waterproof, it means waterproof. So I remove that with a little cotton pad. And then for the rest of my face, I use the Nivea Micellar facial, face, lips, eyes, like oil water. Gross, I know, but that helps a lot with removing the makeup. So it's a 2-step, so it's eyes then face for me. So this just removes the surface muck. I say muck, you know, the makeup, like it's been a long day, I want to get rid of it. Then I use a wipe. This is the Be Beautiful Manuka Honey wipes. I usually take any wipes that I have available to me, and I use this one to remove everything else. So I use that to remove everything around my forehead and around my hairline area. I prefer to use a wipe than the oily makeup remover to leave in my hairline, you know. Then I use the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I love this stuff. It removes everything off my skin. My pores be clean as hell after I use this. Then I wash my face afterwards and I come back, bazam, and I look changed. And I use the Revolution CBD oil, which is supposed to be nourishing and good for, like, I think redness type of skin, so it's good for sensitive type skin, and I use this to nourish and keep my skin good. Then I take the L'Oreal Hydrogenius Aloe Water. This is for dry sensitive skin, and I moisturize that mug and I make sure my face is all nice and clean and prepped for sleep, because I want to look good when I wake up. And this is it. This is me barefaced. That's my entire routine, and it's very quick, very easy, and I love it. So yeah, this is everything. If you guys did enjoy the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.